And yes, dear friends, the tokens have landed and the large sum appeared on the balance. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to generate Flash USDT on TRC20 in just 2 clicks and get a big pile of non-real USDT straight into a Trust wallet. Use these tokens strictly for fun. Prank a friend, flex for laughs, whatever. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Don't try to convert these tokens into real money. So as you can see, I've got 100 USDT and about 50 TRX in my wallet. Firstly, we need to copy the address of USDT token on TRON network. Also in this particular wallet, I've got TRON energy, which will be used for future transactions instead of TRX deduction. I'll leave the info how to buy energy under the video. Next, go to trc20flash.com. I'll leave the link pinned in the comments. Refreshing the page, this service instantly generates Flash USDT tokens. It will make the necessary code additions by itself and charge a fixed fee of 40 TRX. Let us look on some bullet points here. This service claims to instantly generate USDT, works with all wallets on the network, is non-custodial, it doesn't have access to your funds, and requires no verification. It also states that the fee is fixed 40 TRX, and the tokens arrive within a few seconds after generation. You can generate Flash tokens in amounts like 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, or 100,000 USDT. Alright, let's generate. Paste the address you copied and click Generate Flash USDT. A wallet connection window opens to pay the fee. Pick Trust Wallet. Now switch to your wallet. You will see the connection window. As you can see, the domain verified in Trust Wallet. Hit Connect. Now we send back to the site, wait for the connection to finish, and pay the 40 TRX creation fee. Then we return to the site to choose the Flash token amount to send to your wallet. I'm picking 100,000, as the fee is the same regardless of the amount. Then click Generate. The site says the tokens were sent. Now let's check the wallet. Refresh the Trust wallet. And yes, dear friends, the tokens have landed and the large sum appeared on the balance. The tokens will stay in your wallet until you try to send them somewhere else. That's it, friends. Once again, don't try to scam anyone with this method. Be responsible, good luck, and see you next time.